Ay, ay, headline of magic, magic, magic. Headline of magic, magic, magic. Yeah, headline of magic, magic, magic. Headline of magic, ay, 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 ay. Pull up, make it plain. OEM, that perfect frame. Suede headliner, clean and tight. Every make, every model, white. Cars, trucks, SUVs too. Classics rolling fresh on cue. Custom rides, we do the most. Bring that ceiling back with toast. DIY, you can set it fast. Fit so right, it hold it last. Fast, ship straight to the door. One kit and you ride one more. Headline of magic, yeah, that's the name. Perfect fit, no need for shame. Restore that roof, make it glow. DIY, and let's go, go, go. Headline of magic, bring your ride. Back, the light, premium look, premium feel. Every panel pressed to seal. Suede soft for the finished edge. Turn that cabin into a pledge. Old school bones or brand new wheels. Same fresh vibe, that's how it feels. From the shop lane to your street, we bring that interior heat. OEM cut, made for the scene. Smooth install, quick and clean. Fast shipping,